Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a diecast scale model of a very popular SUV. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, this is the product 1:32 diecast model world, doors open, lifelike lights, big fun toys. So let's unbox this right now. This is a 1:32 die-cast metal scale model of Hummer H1. It comes in military green color. It has two openable front doors and a good interior inside. Also, this toy comes with a rotatable gun. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Also, this die-cast scale model of Hummer H1 has 6 tires, and we can call this a 6x6 SUV. And a spare wheel here, cargo space here, and lights here. Now let's take this Hummer H1 for a test drive. Share my video to your 10 friends. This scale model comes with pullback action feature. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. And click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.